ma'am, to our dear parents, colleagues, and all the little angels present here today. Welcome to our virtual pre-puja kids carnival, yet maintaining the safety of social distancing. But before we start, I would request the parents to introduce themselves one by one. So, Bhavya's mama, please introduce yourself. Bhavya's mama. Hello, Bhavya. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Say hi, friends. Your friends, Bhavya. Say hi.
Okay, Bhavya is going to be in pre-nursery.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So hi, Bhavya. Welcome. Hello, Bhavya. Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. We have Mr. Debanjan Bose. Mr. Debanjan Bose, you can introduce yourself and the kids.
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead. Yeah. Am I audible?
Yes, yes, Mr. Hello, Mr. Bose.
Yes, please go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah, please introduce yourself and the child.
Yeah. So my name is Devanjan. Here is my only daughter, Ridhima Bose. And
Hi, Ridhima.
say hello.
Hello.
Wave.
Hello, Beta.
Hello,
Okay. And she's going to be in pre-nursery.
Yes. No, I think she is going to be in the KG. It's not yet decided. So we have a written assessment on the coming Monday. So based on that, the school will be deciding on which class she will be putting. Putting
She
in.
will be admitted.
So
Okay.
yeah.
So that's
So
very
we have been
nice.
staying
Best of luck.
staying in nearby within 500 meters from the school.
Mhm.
And Madhumita is her mother.
Myself, Madhumita Bose. I'm the mother of Ridhima. Good morning.
Welcome to PBS. And we have Gina's mom, Mrs. Day. Mrs. Day, you can introduce yourself too. Hello, Mrs. Day, you there?
Yes, I'm there. My name is Joyita De. Jisha is my daughter. I wanted to admit in pre-nursery, 3 years old. I work in PwC as a software engineer, but I have to manage all these things with his online classes also. Because his father is a businessman, he already left for that. So that's it. Hi. Say hi.
Okay. Gina, hello. Welcome.
Jisha De.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, parents, for joining us. Today, we have designed a very exciting, fun-filled session with many colorful activities to promote and enhance your child's growth and overall development. Now, I would like to present my screen to show you how our teachers are taking their online classes during this pandemic situation.
कैसे मैम लोग ऑनलाइन क्लासेस लेती है अरे देख रहे थे बे हम just
Parents, please mute yourself.
Teacher's relation with chalk and board is eternal. Suddenly, a huge change came about in the year 2020. The whole world came to a halt. People were confined to their home and they were fighting for their survival. At that time, we teachers of PBAS were thinking about our students. We upgraded ourselves and accomplished the journey from blackboard and chalk to keyboard and monitor. We learned, practiced, and perfected ourselves to reach out to our children. let us start with a prayer. Thank you, God, for the world so sweet. Thank you, God, for the food we eat. Thank you, God, for the birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. Now, ma'am is going to take your attendance. Parmit. What will you say? Yes, please. Yes. When you want something from someone, you must always say, please, may I have it? Okay? Now, when someone gives you something, so can we all count together how many stars are there? Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Monitor. What is this? Monitor. The hand and eye coordination of a child, and also it's a development of fine motor training. Row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. So I hope everyone is coloring properly.
ये बस तेजी तक की दिखाएगा।
Thank you, ma'am. Now I would request our respectable principal, ma'am, Mrs. Madhuparna Andrew, to enlighten us about today's fun-filled interactive session.
Good morning, everyone. So a warm welcome from PB Academic School to each one of you, the new ones who have joined us for the first time today, as well as our existing parents. We are very happy to have you with us. This is just an interactive session with you all to give you an idea about what we do and what are our plans for the future also. So you can see that we are taking care of all the development of the faculties of the students, whether it is mental, physical, even their various talents, their musical, their reading skills, everything is taken care of. Hand and eye coordination through craft. That also will be explained to you how we are going to, encourage children to have this coordination. How do they follow instructions? How do they greet the teachers and each other in the class? How they ask for something with a may I and say a thank you after receiving a gift. So these are the small things what we are, planning to inculcate, and we have inculcated so many years in our students. Our main task is not only to give quality education, but also build ethos and moral values in our students. And I'm sure you all are happy with your classes, because I get a lot of good positive feedback. The teachers are here and they are doing an amazing work and taking care of individual child, even in an online class. And offline, of course, they are very, very well looked after. So I'm sure you all are happy, and we look forward to this session. So once again, thank you very much for joining, and over to Radhika ma'am for conducting the next part of the session. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, children, do you want to rock and roll with some exciting music? Get ready for that, because Mrs. Day is going to play some melodious music and rhymes for you.
Hello, children. Good morning to all of you. Hello, children. Hello, parents. Good morning to all of you. Good morning, teachers. And today we will rock and roll with some exciting music. So, I'm your music teacher, Miss Mona Lisa Day. I'm going to be a music man. So, get ready. One, two, three, start. I am a music man. I come from far away. I can play what you can play. I play the piano. Pia, pia, piano. Pia, pia, piano. Pia, pia, piano. Pia, piano. I am a music man. I come from far away. I can play what you can play. I play the guitar. Boom dee boom dee boom dee boo. Boom dee boom dee boom dee boo. Boom dee boom dee boom dee boo. Boom dee boom dee boo. I am a music man. I come from far away. I can play what you can play. I play the drums. Dum 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 do. Dum 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 do. Dum 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 do. Dum 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 do. I am a music man. I come from far away. I can play what you can play. I play the flute. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. I am a music man. I come from far away. I can play what you can play. I play the piano. I play the drums. I play the guitar. And I play the flute. Thank you. Now, children, let's pray for all of us so that we can get the blessings of the God and we can get the blessings from our parents, teachers, right? So let's do the nice song. Oh, be careful, little eyes, what we see. Okay? Oh, be careful, little eyes, what you see. Oh, be careful, little eyes, what you see. For the Father up above, looking down in love. So be careful, little eyes, what you see. Oh, be careful, little mouth, what you say. Oh, be careful, little mouth, what you say. For the Father up above, looking down in love. So be careful, little mouth, what you say. Oh, be careful, little ears, what you hear. Oh, be careful, little ears, what you hear. For the Father up above, looking down in love. So be careful, little ears, what you hear. Oh, be careful, little hands, what you do. Oh, be careful, little hands, what you do. For the Father up above, looking down in love. So be careful, little hands, what you do. Oh, be careful, little feet, where you go. Oh, be careful, little feet, where you go. For the Father up above, looking down in love. So be careful, little feet, where you go. For the little feet, where you go. So, children, isn't it raining outside today?
Yes. Yes.
So, yes. So, are you feeling very nice to see the rainy season and how rain falls? Like pit pat, pit pat. Right. So we will sing for it. Okay. The next song is Pit Pat, Pit Pat. Listen to the raindrops. Pit Pat, Pit Pat. On a rainy day. Pit Pat, Pit Pat. Listen to the raindrops. Pit Pat, Pit Pat. On a rainy day. Pit Pat, Pit Pat. Listen to the raindrops. That's what my fingers say. Rat-tat-tat, rat-tat-tat, listen to the postman. Rat-tat-tat, rat-tat-tat, busy on his way. Rat-tat-tat, rat-tat-tat, listen to the postman. Rat-tat-tat, rat-tat-tat, busy on his way. Rat-tat-tat, rat-tat-tat, listen to the postman. That's what my knuckles say. Flip, flap, flip, flap, watch the little birdies. Flip, flap, flip, flap, fluttering away. Flip, flap, flip, flap, listen to the birdies. Flip, flap, flip, flap, fluttering away. Flip, flap, flip, flap, watch the little birdies. That's what my elbows say. Clap, 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 clap. All of you please clap. Clap, 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 clap. Listen to the children. Clap, 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 clap. Happy all day. Clap, 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 clap. Listen to the children. Clap, 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 clap. Happy all day. Clap, 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 clap. Listen to the children. That's what my hands do say. Okay, I hope you are liking this song, right? So the next song for all of us, because we want to be happy, we want to be loved, we are saved also for the yes. So the next song, for the next song, I have to change the beat. Just a minute. Yes. Now here we go. I'm Happy. I'm Happy. I know I am. I'm sure I am. I'm Happy. I'm Happy. I'm Happy. I know I am. I'm sure I am. I'm Happy. I'm Loved. I'm Loved. I know I am, I'm sure I am, I'm Loved. I'm Loved. I'm Loved. I know I am, I'm sure I am, I'm Loved. I'm Saved. I'm Saved. I know I am, I'm sure I am, I'm Saved. I'm Saved. I'm Saved. I know I am. I'm sure I am. I'm Saved. I'm Saved. I'm Happy. I'm Loved. I'm Happy. I'm Happy. I'm Happy. I'm sure I am. I'm sure I am. I'm Happy. I'm Loved. I'm Loved. I know I am. I'm sure I am. I'm Loved. I'm Saved. I'm Saved. I know I am. I'm sure I am. I'm Saved. Okay, children, now what we will do? Are you enjoying? Are you feeling happy? So, oh, thank you so much. Oh, so we will do the next song here is If you want to bet, if you are happy, then please stand up and sing with me, and please do the action. Stand up, children. All of you stand up. All of you stand up. Children, I'm just waiting for you. All of you stand up. I'm just waiting for you. All of you stand up and jump up high. So, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, children. Very good. Thank you so much. Okay. Yes, I have to just change the tempo. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you want, if you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, jump up high. If you want to, if you're happy and you know it, click your fingers. If you're happy and you know it, click your fingers. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, click your fingers. If you're happy and you know it, sing a song. If you're happy and you know it, sing a song. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, sing a song. If you're happy and you know it, dance yourself. If you're happy and you know it, dance yourself. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, dance yourself. If you're happy and you know it, give a kiss. If you're happy and you know it, give a kiss. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, give a kiss. If you're happy and you know it, wave your hands. If you're happy and you know it, wave your hands. If you're happy and you know it, and you really want to show it. If you're happy and you know it, wave your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, give a kiss. If you're happy and you know it, wave your hands. Okay, children, I hope you enjoyed the music session with me. Thank you all. Thank you, children. I'm very happy to see you all, and you are doing the actions. Very nice. Thank you. Over to Radhika ma'am.
Whoa, that was a brilliant performance by all of you. Thank you, Mrs. Day. Children, do you love to hear stories? I'm sure you all do. So now, everyone, please be seated. Come on, everyone, please be seated. Sit down, sit down. Okay, now Mrs. Lahiri will tell you a very interesting story. Okay, you want to hear her? So, what you need to do before, you need to open your ears, your eyes wide, and zip your mouth. Nobody's going to look here and there, okay? Listen to the story very carefully.
Hello children, I am your Riddhi ma'am and I am here to tell you a story. But before starting with the story, ma'am would like to show you something. See, ma'am has a glass of water over here, and how much water is there? There's very little water. You see that there's little water over here, right? Again, if I put some pebbles in it, What can you see? Ma'am is going on adding pebbles over here. Okay. So definitely when you add too many pebbles over here, what will you see? What happens? The water slowly rises up. The water starts coming up. Yes. Yes. So over here, the water was so little. And now when ma'am has added pebbles over here, what can you see? The water level has come up. Yes. Yes, children. So
Yes,
let's
ma'am.
the story now. So can all of you tell me which bird do you see over here? Can you name the bird, children?
This is crow.
Yes, this is a crow. Very good. Now let's start with the story quickly. It was a hot, sunny day. And definitely when it is a hot, sunny day, you feel hot, right? So it was a hot, sunny day. And the crow named Robin. The crow's name was Robin. The crow was flying, and definitely in a hot, sunny day, we do feel thirsty. So the crow started feeling very thirsty. And the crow started looking for water. Now he is going on searching for the water. And he entered a garden. There he saw a pot. Now definitely the crow was very happy to see the pot. When the crow's name was Robin. So when Robin went near the pot, what did Robin see? Mrs. Riddhi, please unmute yourself. Okay, so when Robin went near the pot, Robin was a little sad. Why? Because the water was very low and he could not reach the water for drinking. So definitely he's very thirsty and it's a very hot and sunny day. He wants to drink water. What does he want the most? He wants water at that time. So what Robin started thinking? He started thinking of some ideas. What do I do so that I get the water? Slowly, Robin looked here and there, thinking that he might get some idea. So what happened next? Robin suddenly got an idea. He started flying all over the garden. He started flying here and there. And he saw something. Robin notices something. So definitely Robin got an idea then. Robin saw too many pebbles. He saw too many small stones lying in the garden. So what did Robin do? Robin slowly went and started picking up the stones one by one. Robin slowly started picking up the stones one by one and he started dropping them in the pot. So what happened? It was the very same way. Like suppose Robin has just started dropping the pebbles in the pot. Okay. And when he's done dropping the pebbles, suddenly a magic took place. As I told you, if you drop too many pebbles, the water will rise, right? So what happened when Robin was dropping the pebbles one by one, the water started rising, started coming up, and then Robin could actually reach the rim of water. The level of the water had reached the rim of the water pot, and Robin drank some water and he flew away happily, and he went back to his nest happily. So children, where there is a will, there is a way. Did you all like the story? I am sure you must have heard about the thirsty crow.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me the story? Radhika, please take over. She is not audible.
Okay. Thank you, Mrs. Lahiri. Now I would request Mrs. Mukherjee to share her screen to show us some glimpses of PBS pre-primary children performing during various activities organized online. So I want everyone to be quiet, mute yourself, okay? Nobody's going to unmute themselves, please. Be quiet. Everyone see on the screen what ma'am is going to show.
My name is Shiza Basra. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Everyone, I love you. How are you? I'm fine. Thank you. Good morning. Good morning. I love you. My name is Oti. Chobichi, Tipachi, Rosili, Vidi, Gari hair, Baby fair, Ajafu, Babichu, teacher pet, you. Yes, yes, yes. Please rabbit, 1, 2, 3. Will you come and play with me? Camel, 4, 5, 6, 4, 6. Why you have a hump like this? Funny one name Peter, one name Paul. Fireman Peter, fireman Paul. Compare Peter, compare Paul. Thank you. Building of the temple, building of the temple of the Lord. Brothers come and help us, sister come and help us. Building of the temple of the Lord. You are a temple of the Lord. Brothers come and help us, sister come and help us. Building of the temple of the Lord. I am a temple. Old MacDonald said the farm, E-I-E-I-O. And in his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. The quack quack here and quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald said the farm, E-I-E-I-O. My name is Kashta. I am 5 years old. I study in class KG in PB Academic School. I live in Kolkata. Today I am going to recite a poem, Safety Rules of Corona. If you want to beat Corona, wash your hands. If you want to beat Corona, wash your hands. If you want to beat Corona, and soap. If you want to beat Corona, wash your hands. If you want to beat Corona, my name is Vidya Gupta. I study in class KG section A. Today I will recite a rhyme. We are Indians. We are Indians. Full and free. We will guard our lovely country. We salute our flag with love and pride and sing Jana Gana Mana, standing side by side. Jai Hind. Thank you. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Wasn't that wonderful, children? Thank you, Mrs. Mukherjee. It is said that children learn as they play. More importantly, in play, children learn how to learn. Now, we'll move to the next activity in which Mrs. Bhattacharjee, she will show you how to make a beautiful craft.
Yes. Good morning, children. Good morning, teachers. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. I'm Tusha Miss. I'm your art and craft teacher. So, children, are you ready for some fun craft? Okay. So, did you see any wristwatch? So, see, this is a wristwatch. Do you have any wristwatch? Yes, mummy or papa, mummy or daddy must have a wristwatch, right? So let's do some fun wristwatch. Okay, children? So now get ready with your craft things. See, do you have the matchbox? We are going to do a fun wristwatch with matchbox. So I have a matchbox with what color? See? And a blue strip, a blue paper strip. Okay. So get ready with that things, children. Okay, now just take a scissor and now cut the edge of the strip like that. Parents, please help them. Okay, now just cut the second edge like that. Okay, this is the band of the watch, wristwatch. Now put the matchbox at the middle of the band. So put some glue over there. Put some glue over there. See? And then just put this like that. Okay. Put this like that. Children, have you done this? Everyone, just show me a thumbs up. Okay, very good, very good. Now, you can do some designs on that. See, this is googly eye. This is googly eye. Okay, so just paste googly eyes over there. Just put some glue. Yes. And then paste the eyes. See, the watch have eyes also. Okay. So paste 2 eyes. And I hope you all have sketch pens. Right? You all have sketch pens. So do some colorful design. Colorful design. Okay. So make some buttons. Parents, please help them. Just make some buttons over there. Red, this is red color. Red button, and this is blue. Now, just to make some funny design. Okay. And do you ever seen any rainbow? Do you ever seen rainbow? So I will make a rainbow. Okay. Rainbow design. See? You can make a rainbow design over there.
Okay. You can make a rainbow. See? Okay, so make this design. Okay. Now, do you have poster color? See, this is white poster color. Okay, this is my white poster color. So put some poster color in a plate. Okay, this is my white poster color. And take some color in your finger. See? Finger. And then put over there. Just make some design like that. Make some design with your finger, children. This is a nice, beautiful watch. Okay, make some beautiful design. See? How nice is this? Okay. Okay, so now make this and then now you have the dark blue paper. Do you have dark blue paper? Show me. Show me the dark blue paper. If you have dark blue, purple or dark blue. Okay, that's nice. Okay, so take out your dark blue or purple paper, children. Okay, so now I have to cut the paper. Small strip. See, just cut like that. Just cut like that and put over here. Like that. See, your watch is ready. Now, this is also a box, right? So you can put some, toffees or candies in the box. Okay. See? We can put some toffees over there. Yay! This is a fun watch. Okay, you can wear it also. You can wear it also. I have already a watch. See? So, you can wear it also like that. See, this is a unicorn watch, right? Okay, so I hope children, all of you have enjoyed this craft. Okay, children. So bye-bye now, Radhika.
Thank you, Mrs. Bhattacharjee. So children, show your beautiful craft.
Yes.
Show us a beautiful craft. Let us see. How did you made your craft watch? Let me see. Let all the teachers see. Wow, Debanshi. That's very nice. What about others? Show us your craft. Show us your beautiful craft. Very nice, Debanshi. A thumbs up.
Yes,
Oh,
Jisha
I
De
was
has
really
also done
good.
the beautiful word. Jisha De, very good.
Very,
Wow,
Yes,
Avedi. Avedi is
Mushri.
also doing very nice. Very nice,
very
Avedi.
good. Kojaguri, very nice. Moshi,
Shohan is
very
also
good.
doing very
Atiba.
nice.
Dolly also very good.
Mahi, wow, very nice. Very nice. You all are
Very
doing very
good.
nice. Yes,
Shomurek
Ahana.
Das. Very nice.
And what about
Very
Very
Bhavya?
good, Shomodip.
Wow. Wow, Bhavya, that's very nice. Beautiful what you are making. Let it dry for some time, okay? Let it dry. Let the paint
Yes,
dry.
Bhavya. Beautiful Bhavya. Bhavya is also good.
A thumbs up to all of you. You have done an excellent job. So
Shanvi,
I
very
want
good,
everyone to
Shanvi.
clap for yourself. I want everyone to clap for themselves. Come on, clap, clap, clap from there. Come on, clap, clap, clap. Children, clap for
Clap,
yourself.
clap. Yes.
Excellent work. Excellent.
Excellent
Very
work.
nice. A thumbs up to all of you. All of you. Now, I would call upon Mrs. Bernadette. She is going to entertain you with some exciting action songs. So, children, get ready to rock the dance floor. Come on.
Good morning, Principal Ma'am. Good morning, teachers, parents, and children. So, I want everyone to smile. I don't know why you all are feeling so sad. This was a fun session, beautifully arranged. Ma'am did a beautiful craft. Can we all smile, children? A smile can take you miles. Okay. So, we had a long time sitting. So, everyone should stand and move a bit. So, ma'am is going to do a small dance with few and easy steps. The first step, okay. So you can ask your mummy or your siblings, your daddy to join you. The first step is 1, 2, 3, 4. Then flap your fingers. You then roll your hips and then you turn. Okay. And then you clap. Okay. So you have to dance according to the music. If the music goes fast, you have to do the steps fast. If the music goes slow, you have to do the steps slow. Okay. So I'm going to check everyone that you all are standing. Everyone, Shanvi, Ohana, Mavi, everyone, stand up, make space for yourself. You can continue with your craft work little later. Sherlyn, you're ready? Nandika, Atiba, Amartya, come soon. Yes, okay. Ready? Okay, so let's start.
Shanvi, stand up, Shanvi.
Come on, children, don't be lazy.
Yes, did you all enjoy, children? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You all can sit. Children, you all can just cool yourself for a minute. Have some water. Just cool yourself. Yes, cool yourself. Have some water. Radhika ma'am, thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. Bernadette. Children, please be seated, all of you. You are all very fantastic, you know. Oh my gosh. Now, today we are going to learn a new form of art, children. And you know what is it called? Messy art. Now, over to Mrs. C. Mukherjee.
Good morning, children, and also my dear colleagues. Welcome you all. Now, today I'm going to present an interesting form of art that is called the messy art. It is a fun activity for the kids. I will show you few pictures to make the messy art format clear to you all. So here it is, here it goes. Yes, here it is. Okay, so messy art is basically a creative activity for children. Okay, it encourages the children to learn more about the textures of raw materials around us. So you can see there are various raw materials like rice, pulses, wheat, flour, and sugar. Every day we use so many materials which has different textures. The most loved ingredient of the children, messy ingredient, is the sand and paint. So you can see children enjoy playing with sand, and you know, it inspires their curiosity and the freedom to try out new things. When they squeeze the dough, okay, when they squeeze the dough or when they're scooping out sand, they're actually developing their fine motor skills. And in the process, they're also refining their sensory organs. They can feel the touch of the different textures of the materials that we are providing to them. You give them the atta, you mix some water. So the atta, it has got a different texture. And when you wet it with water, it has a different texture. We cannot give them sand and mud at home daily. So with atta and with mixing it with water, we can show them the different textures. When they're touching the salt and they're touching the sugar. So this is how they can understand the different textures. So their sensory organs are being refined further. But the most loved ingredient is the paint. I would show you some activities with paint and also the messy ingredient, rice. Okay, I hope all of you have got some rice. Yes, in a bowl, all of you have some rice. Show me, feel it, children. How does it feel? Yes, it feels coarse. Yes. Now what I need to do, I have few coins over here, okay? So I will put the coins. Parents, you can hide the coins inside the rice bowl. Now the children will find out the coins. And as they find out the coins with their fingers, they're using their fingers, you can see. So it is developing their fine motor skills. Also, it is giving them the feel of the texture of the rice. So here I have found one coin. Show me, children. Did you find anything from inside the rice grains? Yes, children, show me. Yeah. You found out. Very good. How many did you find? I found out 3. How many did you find? Count. Oh my God, I can't find anymore. Here I have found another one. I found out. Okay. So how many coins did you find? Count. See, I'm counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 coins I found out. Okay, so you all have also found the coins. That's very good. Now, children, I know you all love paint. Yes? You love to mess around with paints. Yes? Do you? And do you have these earbuds ready, parents? The earbud activity will actually give them the grip of the pencil. It helps to develop the grip on the pencil. How you are holding the earbuds, this is similar to holding a pencil. Okay, and also this activity which I'm going to show you now, this will make your child engaged for a long time, as well as they will really enjoy painting it. They will develop the love of painting. Okay, so now in a plate, you can pour a little bit of yellow color, orange color, and green color. Okay, little bit of yellow color. Then I have this orange color. Whatever colors you have, you can pour it. Okay, this orange color here. So can you see the orange color? Yes, orange color. And here is the green color. So I have it here, the three colors. Okay. So now keep yourselves muted. Now I will show you how to make a beautiful. See, let us first take the orange color. Okay, dip it onto it, and here it goes. Look at the beautiful flowers. Yes. Can you see it, children? Okay, I think I'll remove this portion. So the children can sit and just pat it around. You can see beautiful, colorful flowers. Yes? Isn't it beautiful? Yes, I can see the children also enjoying it. Okay, and you can tie these earbuds, take few, 5, 6 or 7, 8, and tie it with a rubber band and just pat it like this. Okay, now with a different color, maybe with the opposite side also you can do. Let us do some flowers with yellow. Put some yellow color within this orange color. See, it's looking so beautiful, isn't it? And then we will have the green leaves. So this is messy art where there is no definite way of drawing or painting. You can just do it anywhere you like it. Okay, they can just dab it. They don't need any guidance also. Let them do the dabbing anywhere they like. You know, the trees are full of flowers. So there's no definition of all these. So they can do it anywhere. Any way it will look beautiful. I hope you can see the full thing. Yes. Now let us do some with green color. Let us do some green color. The leaf effect. Children, leaves are green color. What color are leaves? Green color. I want to see all the trees, the flowers, the flowering tree. Yes. See how beautiful it is looking. So children, your flowers are blooming. Have you made the leaves? Yes, see, beautiful. Can you see it clearly, children? Yes?
Yes. I can hold me.
So how is it looking, children? I can see there's another tree here. Oh my God, it is looking so blank. Let me put some flowers there. Have you all made it, children? Is yours made already? You have done it? So you can paint your own tree now. Okay? No one will ask their mothers. So give them some paint, give them few earbuds, tie it around, and let them produce some miracles in their drawing copies. You will be amazed to see it. There is no grammar to these paintings. These are just messy art. Let them mess around with their paints. Okay. So children, I hope you all enjoyed it. Okay. Okay, now I'll show you another thing, children. Okay. How to make a play dough. If you make a play dough at home, you can make different shapes out of it. You can play with it at home only with very few ingredients. You can make a play dough. Okay. Just one moment. Parents, please have a look. I think in this case, you have to help your children to make the play dough.
Good morning, everyone. Now I'm going to show you how you can make your play dough at home. It is very easy. So let us see it step by step. And half cup of water. Mix the water gradually with the flour and salt. If it is too dry, add a little more water. Then use your hand to knead it smooth. If it is too sticky, add in a little flour and knead it nicely to make a soft stretchable dough. It is now ready for your child to play. You can add few drops of food color or washable paint to give color to the play dough. Knead it well along with the dough, roll it and give beautiful colors to the play dough. Store them in a airtight packet in a refrigerator to prevent it from drying. Good morning, everyone.
So children and parents, you see how you can make your own play dough at home, give them beautiful colors, keep it in an airtight packet, and it will stay fresh at least up to 4 months. Okay, give it to your children, let them squeeze it, let them roll it. Okay, and make different images, shapes out of it. Okay, this will help improve their finger grips. Okay, it will strengthen their fingers. It will help them to write, to hold the pencil properly. Okay, in the right position. So enjoy, children, and soon we are going to see you all becoming some good painters also. Okay, isn't it, children? Show me, children, what you have done. Show me your trees. How far is it? Yes, the flowers are blooming. Oh, beautiful, Athiva. Very nice. Beautiful, Bhavya. Bhavya, very nice. Very nice, Shirley. Very good. Very nice. Fatima, very good.
Ma'am, Fatima.
Very nice. Yes, Jisha. Very good, Jisha. Yes, Mitashi. Very good, Divyanka.
And Medha, Divyanka also very nice.
Yes,
Tanvi,
Mani
very
has done
good.
well. Averi, very good. Shanvi? Yes.
Prakash,
very
Dolly, very nice.
Ma'am,
Very nice. Jisha, what
Very
about
nice.
you, Jisha? Did you make the tree, Jisha? Show me your tree. Oh, that's
Very
beautiful.
good, Dipannita. Beautiful.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up to all of you.
Okay. Clap for all of you. Very nice. Well done. So I want to see you all doing more trees, more beautiful flowers, some other designs. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Now over to Miss Radhika.
Thank you, ma'am. That was such a lovely craft and artwork that you have shown the children today. Parents, I hope you have enjoyed this fun-filled session. Wishing to see you all in the academic year 2022 and 23. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and wish you all a very happy Durga Puja. Take care, all of you. Bye-bye, children. See you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, children. Bye-bye. Thank
Bye
you
to all of you.
all.
Love you all.